Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I will show you how you can take burst shot the series of the photos in this smartphone. You have to open camera, then go for settings, click swipe shutter button 2, switch to take burst shot, and take a look right now. What is going to happen? We have to grab our phone like that, and then swipe our shutter button like that. As you can see, we take a lot of photos. You can go here and check every photo that was taken, and you can choose the best one. For example, this one is sharp. And that's all. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.